Introducing a new PVD coating for small parts machining, PR1725. Excellent surface finish and long tool life make PR1725 the first choice for machining small steel parts. With its broad application range, PR1725 is a quick solution for gaining better surface finish and reducing insert usage costs. Our brand new PVD coating technology, MEGACOAT NANO PLUS, features a nano-laminated film to deliver excellent wear and adhesion resistance, while the unique top layer provides an excellent surface finish. Internal test results show PR1725 maintains a better cutting-edge condition, while competitor products begin to show signs of chipping. In this surface finish comparison, PR1725 provides a much smoother and shinier surface than competitor products. By using a computer-generated surface model, you can see a measurable difference in surface finish. Because of its great results in steel and stainless steel applications, integrating PR1725 into your tooling lineup will give you maximum usage across multiple materials. With excellent surface finish and long tool life, trust that the tooling will do the work with PR1725.